Yeah, children, let us continue the lesson. Now Akulya's grandmother comes there. What does she talk? What are you thinking of, friends? Is it right to behave like this on a day like this too? It is a time for rejoicing and not for such foolishness as this. Now Akulya's grandmother says, "Why are you people fighting like this on a fine day? Isn't it foolish to fight like this? We have to be happy now." But they would not listen to the old woman and nearly knocked her off her feet. Now they just pushed the old woman from there. They were not ready to listen to Akulya's grandmother. And she would not have been able to quiet the crowd if it had not been for Akulya and Malasha themselves. Now she couldn't calm down the crowd because it was Akulya and Malasha. While the adults were arguing, Akulya had wiped the mud off her frock and gone back to the puddle. Now, in this small space, what has happened? The adults were arguing, they were fighting with each other. Who? Akulya's mother and Malasha's mother. In this small gap, Akulya, what she had done, she had cleaned her frock, she had wiped out the mud, and she went back to the puddle for playing. She took a stone and began scraping away at the earth in front of the puddle. She wanted to make a channel through which the water could run out into the street. Now, what she was doing? She took a stone and she started making a channel. A channel means a narrow passage through which water could flow. And she started scraping the earth. Soon Malasha joined her and helped her dig the channel with a small wooden stick. Now Akulya started playing in the puddle, making a channel through which the water could run away from the street, and Malasha also joins her to help Akulya in making the channel with a wooden stick. Just as the crowd began to fight again, the water from the little girl's channel ran down the street towards the very place where the old woman was trying to pacify the crowd. Now, as this crowd was fighting again, the water from that puddle started flowing down to the street because these girls had made a channel to remove the water from the puddle. And this went to the place where these ladies were fighting and where this old woman was trying to pacify, means calm down the crowd. The girls followed it, one running on each side of the little stream. Now, both the girls were happily running through the stream. Now the water had formed a channel and the water was running on the street. And on either side of this water, these two girls were running. "Catch it, Malasha, catch it," shouted Akulya, while Malasha could not speak for laughing. Now they were playing by themselves, catch it and all. And Malasha couldn't speak because she was laughing. The little girls ran in delight, trying to catch hold of the stick that was flowing down the stream. Now the stick what Malasha had used to dig the channel was flowing in the water. So now Akulya was telling Malasha to catch it. And they were running in happiness to catch hold of that stick. They ran straight into the group of grown-ups and the old woman seeing them said to the crowd. Now, still the fight is going on between Akulya's mother and Malasha's mother. But Akulya and Malasha already became friends. And seeing these two children, the old woman told to the crowd, "Are you not ashamed of yourselves? Are you not shameful about these? To go on fighting on account of these lassies?" Lassies means small kids. Those days that word was used for small girls. "When they themselves have forgotten all about it and are playing happily together. Dear little souls, they are wiser than you." Now the old lady says, the children themselves have forgotten about all these things and they are playing with each other, and you people are so foolish that you are still fighting. Learn something from those small children. They are better than you. The men and women looked at the girls and were ashamed. Then laughing to themselves, they went back to their homes. Now, when they saw the two girls becoming friends, the people were ashamed of what they had done, because unnecessarily for this small matter, they were fighting with each other. And seeing these two girls becoming friends, they went back to their homes. This story is written by Leo Tolstoy. Now you understood, children, how the little girls were wiser than the old people in this story, because the elderly people were unnecessarily fighting with each other and creating problems. But our young girls, instead of fighting, they solved the issue and they became friends, and they proved themselves to be wiser than the elderly people. I hope you understood this story, a very nice story to be learnt. And what you should understand from this story, my dear children, even if you have small fights, even among your friends, you should not take it for a long time. You should be friends with each other and never fight. Even if you have petty fights, you should solve it immediately and come back to the normal. That is what we understand from this particular lesson. I hope you understood this lesson very clearly, and I will be sending you the notes of this particular lesson, and you all should ensure that you copy down these notes in your English notebooks. Okay? Thank you, kids.